Hi, this is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen, and I'm coming to you to show you my chicken drumsticks that I'm going to smother. And I've already seasoned them, and these are the seasonings that I use. Poultry seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, a little black pepper, and I have butter right here. Okay, and I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to put the chicken in this skillet right here and get it brown on all sides. And once it is brown, I will brown it on all 4 sides, about 3 minutes each side, and then we will come back to show you the next step. Hi, this is Patty coming back to you, and this is what my brown chicken looks like. And I'm going to take it out and put it aside and get ready to make my roux. And this is going to be Louisiana style fried chicken. Smothered chicken, I'm sorry, smothered chicken. Take this out, and all of this brown that you see here in the bottom of this pan, all of this goodness, this is what I'm going to make my roux with. Going to add my onions, bell pepper, and green onions. Let me get back over there to it. And these are my green onions and bell pepper. And I'm going to put this on a low heat. And when I get them good and sauteed, I'm going to add my flour to make my roux. And the roux is nothing but a thickener for making gravies and sauces. So I'll come back in just a second. Hi, this is my flour that I put in with my seasonings, and I used about 3 spoons like this of flour. Now I'm going to turn the heat up a bit. I'm going to add 4 cups of water, and I'll stir it around here and let this roux thicken up and cook. And I've put some seasoning in here, some Tony Chachere's, some onion powder, garlic powder. Now I'm adding my chicken legs to this, and I'm going to let them simmer for about 35 to 40 minutes. And this is going to be your Louisiana smothered chicken, but I'll come back and show you the finished product. Hi, this is Patty coming back to show you the smothered chicken. It is still simmering and it is delicious. And let me show you the plate that I have fixed here. Louisiana smothered chicken, rice, gravy, and green beans. If you have questions, please let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, and I thank you so much. Have a good evening. Goodbye. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back, everybody. This is the finished product of the rice and gravy smothered chicken and English peas. It is good. So if you like my channel, please subscribe, and we will talk to you soon. Goodbye.